Good evening, everyone, and welcome. I'm Tyler Matheson. Susie Garrett is on assignment. Well, you know, it has been 5 years since the official end of the Great Recession. And even though the economy, the stock market, and the housing market have made tremendous gains, more than 10 million Americans who want to work are still without a job. Today, there were no records set on Wall Street as a lot of investors seem to be in a holding pattern, awaiting tomorrow's April jobs report. Arguably, the most important metric on the health of the U.S. economy. Hampton Pearson with more now on what may be in Friday's non-farm payroll numbers and why some economists are more cautious than others.
Optimism for a Friday jobs report above 200,000 in April comes on the heels of mixed economic data in the last 2 days. The most positive trend, private employers hiring more than 220,000 workers last month, according to payroll processor ADP. There was also an upward revision in the March data to 209,000, the first back-to-back monthly gains above 200,000 in 18 months, a possible source of momentum for the markets in May.
I think we're setting up again for another run. Now, that might not be the last call for the year, but I do think the rest of this week's reports could be the start, or maybe it's going to take another month. But I think we're going to find out momentum is pretty good here in the second quarter.
But weekly unemployment claims rose unexpectedly last week to the highest level since late February. Mixed news for an economy that appears to be gaining momentum, and a reason leading economists are cautious about what Friday's jobs report will tell us.
It looks to me like the economy is continuing to heal, that we're shaking off the effects of the bad weather we had over the winter. We're getting some mixed signals, but I think the direction is continuing to point towards expansion of the economy, and I suspect we'll see solid job growth.
Consensus forecasts call for a slight drop in the unemployment rate last month. For that trend to continue, we'll need job growth at or above 250,000 per month in the days and weeks ahead. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson in Washington.